The real money in aviation is made at the front of the plane, where luxury and exclusivity meet sky-high prices. While economy cabins fill the majority of seats on any flight, it's actually first and business class that generate the lion's share of profits for airlines. Sometimes a single first-class ticket can bring in as much revenue as a dozen or more economy fares combined. Airlines shape their entire business strategies around attracting these high-paying travelers, influencing everything from which routes they fly to how they design their aircraft interiors, and even the partnerships they form with luxury brands. Premium passengers, corporate executives, wealthy individuals, and loyal frequent flyers are willing to pay a premium for comfort, privacy, and personalized service, making them the most valuable customers on board. The profits from these premium cabins don't just benefit the airlines, they actually help subsidize cheaper economy fares, allowing airlines to remain competitive and accessible to a wider range of travelers. Modern wide-body jets like the Boeing 777X and Airbus A350 are designed with premium cabins as a top priority as airlines compete to offer the most luxurious and innovative experiences in the sky. The pressure to deliver an exceptional first-class product sparks a complex process, one that's far more challenging than simply adding more seats, involving cutting-edge technology, meticulous design, and constant innovation. The economics of premium cabins shape the entire airline industry, driving not only innovation and creativity, but also presenting major challenges and headaches for airlines striving to stay ahead in a fiercely competitive market. Today's first class isn't just a seat, it's a private suite, designed to offer the ultimate in comfort and exclusivity at 35,000 feet. It's more like a mini hotel room in the sky, where passengers can relax, work, or sleep in total privacy. These suites feature full-height privacy doors, lie-flat beds that rival those in luxury hotels, and high-end finishes like hand-stitched leather, polished wood, and even custom lighting to set the perfect mood. Passengers enjoy massive entertainment screens, personal wardrobes, minibars stocked with premium drinks, and even dedicated storage for shoes and bags. Touchscreen controls let travelers adjust everything from lighting and window shades to seat position and temperature, all at their fingertips. Every detail is custom-built to reflect the airline's brand identity, making each suite a unique engineering project that stands out from the competition. This level of customization means every latch, fabric, and electronic system is designed from scratch, adding layers of complexity and requiring close collaboration between designers and engineers. Each suite is a self-contained ecosystem, with its own wiring, air ducts, and mechanical parts, all squeezed into a tight space and subject to strict weight limits, making installation a true puzzle. The seat itself is a marvel, with multiple motors and moving parts for infinite adjustments, ensuring maximum comfort for every passenger. All these systems must work flawlessly together, meeting rigorous safety and durability standards, and passing countless hours of testing before passengers ever board. Building a first-class cabin is no longer simple assembly. It's a high-stakes, time-consuming engineering challenge that pushes the limits of design and technology. The quest for luxury and innovation has made premium cabins the most complex and impressive part of any new aircraft. Every component in an aircraft cabin must pass a rigorous certification process, no exceptions. From the smallest screw to the largest seat, nothing is overlooked. This process is designed to ensure that every part of the cabin can withstand the stresses of flight and the unexpected challenges that may arise. Aviation authorities demand that every seat, door, and latch prove its safety in extreme conditions, especially emergencies. These tests simulate real-life scenarios, from rapid decompression to emergency landings, to guarantee passenger protection. For first-class suites with moving parts and privacy doors, passing crash tests and fire safety standards is a major hurdle. The more complex the design, the more challenging it becomes to meet strict regulations without compromising comfort or innovation. Even a new seat design must survive a 16G crash test, with dummies showing no critical injuries. Engineers analyze every detail, from seatbelt strength to headrest positioning, to ensure maximum survivability. Privacy doors can't block emergency exits or jam shut, and must be easy to operate in a crisis. Regulators check that passengers and crew can always access escape routes no matter the situation, and all materials must resist fire and toxic smoke. Every fabric, cushion, and panel is tested for flammability and smoke emission, ensuring the cabin remains as safe as possible during a fire. The process involves building prototypes, running exhaustive tests, and submitting endless documentation. Each step is meticulously recorded and reviewed by both manufacturers and regulators. Any issue sends the design back for costly revisions, adding months or even years to the timeline. Teams must troubleshoot, redesign, and retest until every requirement is satisfied. Certification is a major bottleneck, delaying new cabins and causing headaches for airlines and manufacturers alike. The wait can stall entire fleets and disrupt business plans. The quest for safety and luxury often collides, slowing the rollout of next-generation cabins. But in the end, these painstaking efforts ensure that every passenger can travel in comfort, without ever compromising on safety. The complexity of premium cabins has led to high-profile delays for major airlines. Lufthansa's new Allegris suites were delayed by both aircraft and seat certification issues, forcing the airline to reshuffle its fleet plans. Qatar Airways' suite rollout was stalled by supplier setbacks, with the CEO publicly venting frustration over missed deadlines. Japan Airlines faced similar delays with its flagship A350-1000, postponing new routes and disappointing customers. When seat suppliers miss deadlines, entire aircraft sit idle, engines ready, but no seats for passengers. This interdependence means a single supplier's delay can halt the global supply chain, affecting airlines, manufacturers, and travelers. The race to offer the best premium product has exposed a critical vulnerability in aviation's supply chain. Even the world's biggest airlines are at the mercy of their seat suppliers. When new aircraft are delayed by seat issues, the fallout is immediate and costly. Airlines must cancel routes, keep old planes flying, and absorb higher fuel and maintenance costs. Idle aircraft mean lost revenue on massive investments, while marketing campaigns for new cabins go to waste. Brand reputation suffers, especially with premium customers promised a new experience. Manufacturers like Boeing and Airbus face cash flow problems, as they can't deliver planes or collect final payments. Delays strain relationships across the industry, leading to tense negotiations and even legal disputes. The entire ecosystem becomes fraught with mistrust, making collaboration harder and perpetuating delays. A single bottleneck in seat production can ripple through the industry, hurting everyone from airlines to investors. The pressure to deliver on time has never been higher. The pandemic changed everything, especially demand for premium cabins. As travel restrictions lifted, revenge travel took off, with more people willing to splurge on comfort and privacy. Premium leisure travelers, families and couples celebrating milestones, joined traditional business flyers in booking first and business class. The desire for personal space and privacy, shaped by social distancing, made enclosed suites more attractive than ever. Airlines pivoted quickly, targeting this new market and accelerating investment in luxury cabins. But just as demand soared, supply chain issues and labor shortages made it harder to deliver new products. The result: high demand met with limited supply, intensifying delays and bottlenecks. The post-pandemic boom in premium travel has only increased the pressure on airlines and manufacturers. The race for luxury is now a race against time. To break the cycle of delays, airlines and manufacturers are rethinking how they build premium cabins. Standardization is gaining ground. Airlines are encouraged to choose from pre-certified seat platforms, customizing only finishes and colors. Early integrated collaboration between airlines, manufacturers, and seat suppliers helps catch problems before they cause delays. Seat makers are investing in digital modeling, virtual reality, and diversified supply chains to boost efficiency and resilience. The industry is learning to balance innovation with predictability, aiming for luxury without endless delays. The future of first class will be shaped by both creativity and practicality. Airlines must wow customers without grounding their newest jets. The sweet spot luxury that arrives on time.